Woo! Oh, hey. Well, I'm back again, and I wanted to show you something today. This company, AUXITO, sent me some headlights. Sent me some LED headlights for Big Black. They said Big Black needs some new eyesight. Maybe it'll help him. He's not feeling well right now, but yeah. So basically, they sent me these, and they wanted me to try them out and give a little review. So here they are. There's the box. Um, and also, if you look down, I'm going to put a couple links down there. You know about the links. There's going to be a link to these and to their website and stuff. And if you go on there and you decide that you want to try out some of these LEDs for your car, truck, whatever, they'll have what you're looking for. And if you put in a code, you get a discount just for watching my video and putting in this special code. And it's going to be BOOT78, easy to remember, BOOT78. You type that in and you get 15% off. I mean, who doesn't like a discount? So gonna tear into these. We'll get old Big Black pulled in the garage here. The heat's going. It's cold out there. But open up the box and so these are 6500Ks, and they got an operating life of 50,000 hours. It's a long time. It says high brightness, easy to install, quick start, fast heat dissipation, and off-road. Ooh, look at this. So they give you gloves, a little pair of gloves, so you don't get your greasy paws all over the bulbs. It's pretty cool. Couple little zip ties, little owner's manual, tell you all the details. And here they are. Look like nice construction. Not as flimsy as some other brands that I've got in the past. And there you go. And up here in Maine, I don't know if you knew, but not a lot of street lights. So there's a lot of roads that it's really dark, and that's why a lot of people up here you have to get the LEDs. You got to get them. Those regular halogen conventional bulbs just not going to do it. And a lot of my old stuff, unfortunately, they're not making LEDs for, or it's a little expensive anyway. But yeah, when I got Big Black, he had LEDs in it, but one of them went out, so I bought some other ones. But you go on Amazon and you type in LED light bulbs, you're going to get a million different things. So you don't know what you're getting. There's a bunch of numbers. I don't know. But, I'm old-fashioned, so I just want, some bright lights. And, it doesn't, everyone else has got them, so everyone's blinding each other. But anyway, you need to have them up here because the moose, you're not going to see them. They're going to be standing there. It's going to be like a brick wall. And when you hit that moose, you're done. And I've junked some cars that have hit moose, and it's not good. A lot of deaths and a lot of stuff goes on up here because of that. But That's why you'll see a lot like Big Black's got that light bar, that LED light bar, um, stuff like that. So a lot of people have that just for that reason. So on the lights that I have in there right now, um, one of them, they have like little cooling fans on them, and one of them's real loud. You can hear it. You can hear it running. Not too cool. It's probably it's going to go out soon. Um, so yeah, I'm going to try out these, get them in there, and I'm going to do a little test. So. Out with the old, in with the new. Like the headlights, you like the way they look, check them out. The link's below. AUXITO.com. 15% off. Put in the code BOOT78. Check it out. Thanks for watching.